Hello everyone, welcome to Twizt. I know I was pretty irregular while uploading my videos, but as I posted in my Instagram also that I was busy in my exams and college, that's why. But today I'm back with a winter recipe, and I have named this recipe as a Gobhi Korma. In Korma, we need the gulab jal or keora jal for in chicken or mutton or any other meat recipes, it will go good easily. For vegetarian recipes, I think it will not taste really good. That's why I have created my own recipe with few of the ingredients. They are not that much of expensive. So let's see what are the ingredients that we are going to need for this recipe. And one more thing, if you like this recipe is not that much of costly even. You can easily make it at your home. That's why I kept this all the ingredients very easily accessible. So if you like this recipe, then please give the thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icons to stay notified every time when I post my videos. And do comment me below how you like this recipe. Obviously the star ingredient gobi, which I have cut it in very medium pieces. You can see a paste which consists of ginger, garlic and green chilies. As we are making this a white based gravy, so there should be no red chilies used. Fresh cream for the extra richness and creaminess. Yogurt. They are just the fried onions. As you can see, just brown them in a ghee or white oil. I will be using this diced onions, and I will just boil them just to remove this redness or the purpleness to make, and then I will blend it to make a white onion paste gravy. This is kaju and melon seeds paste, or the char magaj which we say. This is just for the garnishing. I have used a green chili which I have slitted in between. So let's see how we will make our gobi.
At first, we need to heat a pan with water, and we have to boil the onions to remove the redness, and then we will blend them. So we will wait until the onion boils. We will boil in a very high flame. Our onion is boiled now. Now we will remove it from the pan, and then we will blend it. Before blending, do ensure that your onion is cooled properly. Now in the same water, we will blanch our full gobi or cauliflower. Blanch them or boil them for about 5 minutes to 6 minutes until they get softened of 30 to 40%. We are just blanching them 30 to 40% because in the gravy also we will cook it. So if we overcook the gobis or cauliflower, it will break down and get really too much soft. Our gobis are done. Remove them in a bowl and keep them aside to get cool. Heat a pan with oil. I'll be using an oil in which I have already fried my onions, as you have shown while I was introducing the ingredients. I'll be heating the pan with that oil. With that, I'll be also using ghee of 1 tablespoon. Heat them really well, and then I'll be adding the onion paste which I have made. Fry them in a medium range I'll be adding the paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies. They are of near about 2 tablespoons. Saute them really well in a medium range until they separate soil from them. I'll be adding the paste of cashew nut and melon seeds of 2 tablespoons. I'm sorry, it was 2 teaspoons. Stir them really well in medium range. I'll just reduce the flame to low. I've added here 1 more teaspoon of the cashew and melon seeds paste. Add the yogurt. Do ensure that they are really beaten well. No lumps should be there. Bring the flame to low and stir them continuously. The main fault while we cuddle up the yogurt is that we don't whisk it or we don't stir it continuously, and the flame should be on low while stirring it. As we haven't used any kind of salt before, now we will be adding some seasoning. The salt as per your taste. Add the gobis which we have blanched 30 to 40%, and I'll be adding that water in which I have boiled it. That's why, as you have seen in my bowl, there was a little bit of water. I'll be using that water for making the gravy. Stir them really well until the all masala gets incorporated together. Now add the biresta or the fried onions and mix them. Once they are mixed, turn off the range and add the cream of 1.5 teaspoon. Stir them well until the cream mixes well. Our Gobhi Korma is ready. Now let's start with the plating. If you have liked this recipe, then please hit the like button and share with your friends and family. And do subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. After being subscribed, please hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever I post my videos. Thank you. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, stay connected.